Peaceful greetings, friends. Let's play Say It Fast. My turn. Lawn mower. Say it fast. Lawnmower. Yes, now it's your turn. Wait until I tell you to say it fast. Lawn mower. Say it fast. Good job, good job, good job. New word, listen. Side walk. Say it fast. Good, sidewalk. New word, listen. If. Say it fast. If. Good. New word, listen. Me. Say it fast. Me. New word, listen. Am. Say it fast. Am. Good. New word, listen. In. Say it fast. In. New word, listen. She. Say it fast. She. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Now, I'm going to say some words slowly without stopping. Then you'll say them with me. First, I'll say she slowly. Listen. She. Now I'll say me slowly. Listen. Me. Now I'll say ship slowly. Listen. Ship. Now it's your turn to say the word slowly with me. Take a deep breath and we'll say she. Get ready. She. Now we'll say me. Get ready. Me. Now we'll say ship. Ship. Now we'll say am. Get ready. Am. Now we'll say in. Get ready. In. Now we'll say if. Get ready. If. Your turn to say the word slowly by yourself. Say she. Get ready. Good. Say me. Get ready. Say ship. Say am. Get ready. Say in. Get ready. Say if. Get ready. Good. Saying the word slowly, friends. In peace, you are beautiful, you are powerful, and you are smart.